Hi, I'm Andrea Lemont, the founder of the Kindness Campaign. Thank you so much for sharing your time with TKC and for volunteering to make these Enoughie Buddy kits that go directly into the schools. These kits allow our teachers to facilitate lessons with students to help them navigate their feelings. Enoughie Buddy antennas help students develop emotional awareness and are just really a fun way for students to express their feelings and all of their emotions.
Hey guys, so today my sister and I are going to be teaching y'all how to create Enoughie Buddy antenna kits. So the first thing you're going to do is gather all of your materials.
So the first thing you need are pom-poms.
Oh, they're so sparkly.
And then pipe cleaners, headbands, a hot glue gun, and scissors.
So the first thing you're going to do is grab a pipe cleaner.
And then fold the pipe cleaner evenly in half.
Try to get it as even as possible.
And cut it. And then take each half of the pipe cleaner and fold it in half. And then twist the ends.
At the bottom. Make sure there's enough to loop it onto the headband easily, but still twist it enough to where it's secure.
And then you're going to take a pom-pom. I'm going to take a yellow.
I'm going to take a pink.
And then we're going to grab the hot glue and just put a little bit of hot glue on the pom-pom. And then take your pipe cleaner and stick it right on the pom-pom.
Hold it for about 10 seconds to make sure it's secure, and then you're done. So the last step is to divide it into its colors. And so I'm gonna put mine with the pink.
And I'm gonna put mine with the yellow.
And just like that, you're done. These are the final products.
These are our Enoughie Buddy antennas.
They're really cool. There's a lot of things you can do with these, like talking about your emotions. So Kate, why did you choose purple?
I chose purple because it makes me feel really calm and happy, and it's just been my favorite color for a long time. What about you?
Cool. I chose pink because it makes me feel really joyful. Another thing you can do with them is you can make different shapes out of them. I like to bend mine forward because it makes me feel like playful, and it's just, I really like it. So what about you?
I like to keep mine tall and straight because it reminds me to stand tall and strong.
That's great.
Remember that emotions and feelings come and go, and be kind to yourself and to others. Use those antennas out there to express yourself and to really jumpstart all those conversations.